Okay guys, good morning. How are you doing? I am so sorry for being MII last week. Did I get that right? MII, yes. I always get the D-I-Y, no, D, yes. I always get that one right. Wrong. You would say D-Y-I, it's not, it's D-I-Y. Whatever! It goes round and round. Anyway, I have a new pair of glasses on because I can't find my other ones. I don't know what happened to them. So I need a new pair of glasses. I need a haircut. What's the other thing I need to do? Those things aren't getting done today, but sometime this week. So, yeah, squirrel. Back to what I was saying. Sorry for being missing in action. Last week, I promised you some one-on-one videos last week, like I was going to do one box challenge and some other tag videos and stuff like that. Yeah, I just wasn't feeling it. And yeah, and I kind of take a break from social media and everything. I just wasn't feeling it. So what can I say? So, but I'm feeling like vlogging today, so I will do that today. So it is 10:10 and I'm headed to the gym to work out with my trainer. In case you're new to my channel, I got a trainer at LA Fitness for my dad, but they hooked up our accounts and we got a 2-for-1 deal, and I'm going along with and to supervise my dad because he has mild cognitive impairment and he's 81 and doesn't get around too good. He is able to drive still and that kind of thing. But, anyhow, it has worked out good because it's been good for me, and I need to fix my headband. It's slipping off my head. So, been doing that since, I believe, July 9th. So, pat myself on the back. That is the most I've ever been to the gym. I've gone to the gym for, honestly, years and years on and off, you know, and I've joined LA Fitness for the last couple years, and again, on and off. It's not been consistent. So even though it's only been one day a week and I wanted to get in a second day, that hasn't happened, but I'm proud of myself for doing the one day. I only missed one week I didn't go. That was it since July. So I'm pretty happy. I am feeling in better shape. Plus now I'm doing the Walk 100 Miles Challenge. So there's that. So maybe after the Walk 100 Miles Challenge I can get back to going to the gym twice a week. It's just really hard to do more than that because, I don't know, making excuses, right? No, the gym is 20 minutes from me. I live in the boonies. So it's 20 minutes there, 20 minutes back, and that takes a good chunk out of my day. And I don't know. I suppose if I got up first thing in the morning, got dressed, ready for the gym, made hubby's lunch, and then the second he goes out the door, then I just get right in the car and go. That would be at like 7 or 7:15. So, yeah, I'm not doing that until after the Walk 100 Miles challenges because I'm going to do that. Yeah, so it's not like I'm not exercising. But I do like to use the weights and stuff, and I haven't been doing much because the trainer does a lot of free weight stuff. I like to use the machines, and yeah, he kills me every week. I'm pretty exhausted by the time I get home, so I don't know what I'm going to do today. I am going to go get my brother Gary. This is not going to be a Fix It Friday. He's just going to install a fan. There's not really much content today to do that. I want to finish the patio off, and I want to do the porch. Again, I don't know how much energy I'm going to have today, but I'm so excited. This morning, I had all the windows open. Yeah, and sadly I had to close them all so I could go to the gym, but I almost think I might need to turn the AC on when I get back. It's 78 degrees now, but it's a nice 78. And what do I mean by that? Well, you kind of just have to live in Florida to understand what that means. 78, but very low humidity, so that 78 actually feels like 78 instead of in the summertime when it's 78. It feels like 88. Yes. So that's the difference. That's the difference there. Very low humidity now that it's Florida fall. And I want to do some more decor. I did a little table decor. I'll show you that. And I guess I'm doing a little chit chat right now. I did the breakfast nook table. I decorated that yesterday. And I want to do the front porch. And I know it's late in the YouTube world, in the Instagram world, and whatever. I live in Florida. What can I say? Yeah, so, and I am not one to put out my Christmas stuff early at all. I despise that. It is, what is it? What's the word I'm looking for? It is... I can't think of it. It's on the tip of my tongue. It is sacrilege. That's what I want to say. It is sacrilege in my eyes to put out your Christmas stuff until the day after Thanksgiving, at least. But I normally don't. At least till December the 1st. So usually, because the day after Thanksgiving, I've hosted Thanksgiving usually, and I got 20 to 30 people at my house. I'm tired. I ain't putting out my Christmas stuff the next day. I still got to clean up from that, so that ain't happening. But again, this might just be a talking video. I don't know, guys. So maybe I just call it this and that car chat today. So I mentioned to hubby. He has not answered me back. We might go to San Francisco for Thanksgiving. That's what we might do. My son is not coming home again this Thanksgiving. It is going on over a year since we've seen him. It just hasn't worked out with hubby's work that he could get away. And I was supposed to go on a trip to Connecticut with my sister. I don't think that's happening. It might happen next week, guys. I don't know. Cross your fingers. And so I mentioned to him about going to San Francisco to see my son for Thanksgiving, and he said, "What?" I said, "Yeah." So I don't know. It can be a nice change to change it up and not, you know, be here with family. I mean, he's family too, obviously. I don't know what we would do. We're not going to make Thanksgiving dinner. I might just end up going out to dinner and stuff. But change it up. Do something different. I'm in the mood for changing it up. Anyway, I'm bored of doing the same old, same old. And that was what was happening since August. Doing the same dang thing over and over. And I had fun this weekend. If you watched my vlog, if not, I'll put the link down below. I did a day in the life, 24-hour in a day life vlog that was put on by Liliana from Vanilla and Vanilla. And by the way, if you aren't subscribed to her channel, you need to be. I love her channel, and she's been featuring her little boy Alex in more and more videos, and he's so stinking cute with the little accent that he has. And oh my God, it's just so adorable. Anyway, I like that age, 5 years old. My niece Amy, her son Alex. I call him Xander. They started calling him Xander when he was, yes, I'm scrolling. They called him Xander ever since he was little. And then all of a sudden, when the little one was born, Alyssa, who's 3, she started calling him Alex. So the whole family calls him Alex, and I still call him Xander. I don't know. You know, Alexander, that's why he says it anyway. So the point is, he's 5, and I just really like that age. When I taught preschool, it was 4 and 5 year olds. And I just really like that age. I think they're so stinking cute. They're adorable, and the things they say, and I don't know. Of course, I really enjoyed Abby and Michaela this weekend too. Abby is 7 and Michaela's 9, and that was very nice because they are very self-sufficient. They help me clean, they help me set the table, they help me clear up the table. They can get their own drink. They don't need my help in the bathroom. All that kind. They don't need my help getting dressed, so that's nice too. Alright, I've already talked for 10 minutes here. Apparently I missed y'all. And this weather is making me feel really good. Let's hope it stays. So I felt a little bit down, and this happens after the girls left yesterday. I had them from early Saturday morning till, what was it, 4:30 yesterday. And after they left, I felt a wee bit down. I don't know why that happens. It happens after vacation, happens after like a big get together, Thanksgiving. I don't know. Why does that happen? It's just like, yeah, all the excitement and then you're, I don't know what the word is. I'm sure y'all know what I'm talking about. Alright, I've talked enough, and I'm going to the gym, and then we'll see what happens after that. Okay, I am home from the gym, and I decided I'm not going to get Gary today. I got to get groceries, and I need to run some other errands, but, just don't look at the clothes on the floor. I need to make my bed. I decided, usually when I come home, and there's more clothes over there, I decided I'm going to take a shower the second I get home. A lot of times I just lay in the bed, and then it doesn't happen. So I'm going to take a shower right now, because that would rejuvenate me. What are you crying about? The cat's crying. Okay, so I took a shower. I'm going to make my favorite smoothie that I've been making lately. Spinach, which is going to be a lot of spinach, pineapple, banana, and banana. But usually I have pineapple juice. So I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. Might have to crack open a can of pineapple. This is fresh pineapple. Do I want to use that, or do I want to use the can? I need to use this up, but the fresh pineapple just tastes good eating it by itself. Maybe I don't want to waste that. I'll do the canned pineapple. And I'm also going to have two hard-boiled eggs. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to sit down at the table and make a list. I'm going to put the rest of this canned pineapple back in the fridge for tomorrow. I finished my list. This is what I started yesterday. I did do some laundry, so I can check that off. I don't remember what I did yesterday. I obviously didn't do the groceries. I need to renew the tags. And yes, if you watched our previous video, I was going to renew the tags online, but then I never did. I got sidetracked. So I'm just going to go down there today. So I posted this video this morning. I want to get a haircut, mow lawn, but I need to get the groceries. That is probably number one. But I can renew to renew the tags is right down the street from where the grocery store is. I'm telling you what, I'm pretty tired. I kind of want to get my hair cut. I need a pedicure. See, I have up here this week, so that doesn't need to happen today. I don't know. Maybe I should just renew the tags and do the groceries, come home, take a nap. If I feel like it, then go get my hair cut, and yeah. Yeah, and then the house needs cleaned up too, but I don't usually write that on this list. This is kind of other stuff I need to do. That's not daily stuff. Alright, like I said, I'm kind of tired. Oh, I'm going to try to push through it. and eat my breakfast, and maybe I'll feel better. And yeah, see you in a little bit. Okay guys, it is like 6:15. Yeah, I never ended up going to the store. But I'm at Publix right now. I'm just gonna get a few things for dinner and go back home. So I didn't get a full grocery run. Oh, well, the bottom fell out. As it normally does. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to say about that. I just was tired, and I listened to my body, and I just decided to take a rest. And okay, I'm up and going now and just getting a few things, and I don't know, I'll have to do some grocery shopping tomorrow or the next day. I'm just gonna get a few things, and so I'm gonna end the vlog here. All right, I'm just gonna end the vlog here and call it this and that car chat. Although I did add my smoothie in here, or I'm going to add the smoothie part of the video in here, and that's it. This and that car chat, and I will try to vlog tomorrow or do a regular video. We shall see. All right, until next time, enjoy your